The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Oh, geez. See me, huh? His name Chubby here. If you want your face clean, read
Chubby. Blessing. Jamaica, good life. But I buy my fish for him as well to swim around. You see me? So I'm a chef. I'm a chef this as well. So Jamaica, good life. And then when I come buy him swim around from. Why you stop doing?
Nah, I'm still up here, man.
Still up here, man.
Yeah, I'm up on some painting right now.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, true. And you're the painter as well, too.
as well.
Tell you about the program Jamaica Good Life?
No.
But I highlight the lifestyle and the positivity in the place, you know?
Sure.
Yes, people them. And you're one of them as well too. You're a chef and you're a painter. Straight. And me buy my fish from him as well too. A long time I don't come over here come buy still. So you say you still a do it?
Yeah, man, still a do my thing, man.
Same place, yes sir.
Yeah, man, same place right there, some man.
So introduce yourself today.
Yeah, me name Chubby still, not the scheme, the whole place. Know me as Chubby still.
Yeah.
Right through, in and out. I want the building for paint down, fish fry, deal with, anything like that. Me have it locked.
Right.
You understand? Yeah.
Right now, see man. So
see, also me I finish up here. Right here now. Come check piece of the front part.
Yeah.
That's one of my product.
This.
I'm finished.
Oh, so this is one of your.
This is one of the things them.
Yes, sir. You do this as well?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. You do this as well?
Yeah, man, I'm painted, man. Upstairs and downstairs, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Son, what the struggle you go through with, like, even though you work with a stick?
Well, differently still, I make nothing bother me still overall. I'm just doing what I have to do. I just move on in my life.
See you win.
Put certain things across the board and just do what I have to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because enough people right now have 2 legs, you know, and them now do what you are doing, you know.
Can't do.
And you have 1, and you are doing it.
Painter. Yeah, man.
Paint.
Just come from road there. Just come in. From road, St. Thomas.
See there?
Just come in. Yeah, them thing there. Come take a 1 round to go back in.
Pan the work.
On the work again.
So you're born and grown man, not Seaview?
No, I'm a original sentence man. So I just come here overall to my mother.
Yeah.
From the country. I'm coming to States and I'm from that.
So how long now you live in a Seaview?
I'm 1989 I live
Okay. Overall.
Yes, I'm
Kukumaka.
Yeah, I'm virgin, I'm friend that most ungodly man and I'm not godly.
Yeah, man. Everyone speak positive about Jamaica good life, but at times you just go in a feel religion, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kokomaka that yeah, the real man, you have the real history of Seaview.
It's about, we highlight the positivity and it's an ambitious program. We highlighted the lifestyle and the culture. So it's just everything positive about this program. I know them always talk about the negative out of Seaview. So we are trying to highlight the people them now before them say, we want the people them story. Because people feel like the Seaview is a bad place, which it's not. So when you introduce yourself to the Jamaica good life.
Well, I mean name Kukumaka, you know. Well, Babylon call me Vasland still, but I prefer call myself Kukumaka. See, Yeah, man, and he's a poet, ex-Christian and all that, yeah, and ex-police, what heap of things. Yeah, but we kind of about easy back, you know?
Yeah, easy back now. So you're born and grown man in Seaview?
No, we come here, you know?
You come here?
Yeah, but we born long before Seaview existed.
Why? Why you come here? Why?
You say, why you come here? Seaview nice, you might come here.
Circumstances, you know?
Yeah, see them.
Sometimes our circumstances beyond your control.
Yeah.
That's how the shirts go.
Yeah. And see.
Yeah, could have better still, you know, but just like most of the other places, them could have better. But then again, it come like say things set for kind of go the way how it go. You know, when people don't really find themselves, hard to get a better condition.
Yeah.
Because you don't know, say, the old adage where say unity is strength. United we stand while divided we fall. Any kingdom we divide against itself must fall.
Yeah.
But then no, the whole thing is set about this unity because the whole thing is about divide and rule.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So what will happen now is that we are so much divided along religious lines, we divided among political lines, and we are falling, and we have the audacity to be wondering why we are falling. We don't know why.
We don't know.
United we stand, divided we fall, we divided we must fall.
The most part because we divided.
Yeah.
And that's true words.
Yeah.
True words.
And then again, to you know, my brethren, the people have really designed the thing to hide knowledge away from us. For instance now, we are in a brand new year. But as the days goes by, we are going deeper into winter.
Yeah.
When you come in a new year, winter must be behind you.
Yeah, true.
It can't be in front of you.
True.
So something wrong with them and try to hide. Yeah, man.
This is a true words, man.
And we know what them hide still.
Yeah.
Because check the thing. Winter start in the 22nd of December. Can't done till March, you know. And the year can't done till when winter done, because when you go to school, them teachers say there are 4 seasons in a year. Beginning with spring, 3 months, summer, 3 months, autumn, 3 months, winter, 3 months. So how winter just start and the year done. So how that happen now, you know, is that the year would have started in a March. Then if March are the first month, April become the 2nd, May the 3rd, June the 4th, July the 5th, August the 6th. September becomes 7, which is right because SEPT means 7. October becomes the 8th. OCT or Octo means 8. Anyway, you see, November becomes the 9th. November is 9. December becomes the 10th. Anyway, you see DEC, decimal, decaton, decade, anything at 10. So how do I call December 12 month, November 11, October 10, September 9. They're mad. Them eyes up, man.
The money have the
And I see which spot him there. In a Seaview.
In a Seaview.
That's why we are telling you again.
Yeah, that's something.
Yeah.
Powerful people will never educate powerless people in what it takes to take the power away from them. Therefore, it is the duty of powerful people to do anything necessary to remain powerful, to keep the power for themselves. And hear that one. If them not treat you right, them not go teach you right.
True.
But if them teach you right, you go find out so they don't treat you right. So problem is, and make sure and them control the curriculum. You know? Imagine, we have our children. We send our children to them to be educated and trained. How do we expect them to be trained? To be self-sufficient and independent? Or to come out, come look work with for them picnic and perpetuate the slavery thing that continues. So to be said.
Powerful words, man.
Yeah, I'll follow them further. I'm not got that tall that I really, but I've got it up. Yeah, real.
You look part of the thing still, you know. How we say?
We got friendlies as well. Elders.
Yeah, man, you can give.
Bless up. Pick up yourself, General. Highlight yourself. Pick up yourself to the world. Let them know who you are. Jamaica, good life. So you must a friend of, yeah? Kukumaka.
Yeah, so what I say is right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but what caused most of the problem, we are to be self-centered, you understand?
Yeah.
We start care more about one another. You know what I mean?
True.
And stop. Put vanity before humanity. You see, if we have put vanity before, and not care for your brother, we are rather off with that, yeah?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, that's true. You know what I mean?
So you just love one another.
Love one another, you know what I mean?
Sure.
Yeah, and stop. Put vanity before humanity.
True.
Attack.
Powerful, yo. You come like at the corner, you have the whole of the knowledge there.
Yeah.
I'm going to start coming over here more often, man. Yes, definitely.
You know what I mean? We try to think constructive, yo. And by thinking constructive, then we can speak that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
We don't try to meditate on that way now. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yes, Kukumaka.
No, I just said a while ago, you know, say come like you have to come more regular. I said, I just add to that. I said,
The knowledge card of this.
come like you never hear nothing yet.
No, I don't hear nothing
I
yet.
like my brother in a trouble that tell you a little while, say, I mean them call
The most ungodly.
Kuku the most ungodly matter.
No God at all.
And we say without apology. But we like to tell people, say, when we say without apology, and say, we name Kuku the most ungodly matter, we want to keep them get it right. We never say the most unrighteous.
Yeah.
Because we is the man who say righteousness over godliness every time, barring no time at all.
Yeah.
Because it easy for the righteousness. All you have to do the right things then.
Yeah.
After you do the right things, then automatically you do the righteousness.
Now how you do godliness?
Automatically
Because godly men, you see godly men in the name of God. So how you do godliness?
Automatically, if you have the righteousness, you have the godliness to them, because the
But here that's something you know. Here that's something you know.
time.
If a guy say him righteous, if a guy say him righteous, and him a do the nastiness where the godly man them a do, the guy they no righteous. Him only chat say him righteous, but him no righteous. So you can't chat say you're righteous when if you're unrighteous, you know. But you can't chat say you're godly. All when nothing no goes on too. You understand? God like we say godliness.
Yeah, them always mix up the godliness.
Make a religious thing, you know.
Yeah.
Create that.
Man, a man create every religion. Man make each and every God. There is no God that exists that man did not make. If we talk about Jesus, built by Europeans in England 400 years ago, if we talk about Buddha, built by Chinese and Indians, if we talk about Krishna, built by Indians, if we talk about King Selassie, built by Jamaican black man who never did one entire Jamaican entire Marcus Garvey said, if the white man can't see him God in a film own perspective.
I want you to cut the argument. If you never hear that before, either Seaview you come hear this. The most ungodly. Kukumaka.
Kukumaka.
Yeah. Jamaican make Rasta. Bro.
That most Rasta. That Jamaican make Rasta. I don't make Rasta. No make Rasta.
Yeah,
Selassie as God.
Yeah.
Selassie born as Rast, no, he's not born as Rast. He's
born as a Baalin.
No, he's born as Tafari Makonnen. Later acquire a title when you Rast, put them together, you get Rastafari Makonnen. King Selassie that.
And him a God. I'm a few Jamaican Rasta God.
There's nothing wrong with it. The white man God white, the Chinese God a Chinese, the Indian God a Indian. What if the black man God black? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that, bad man? You hear this now?
So yeah, so if
No,
you should say God, if you should say...
Wait. Whenever your God and Savior no look like you, but them look like your masters and enslavers. You become the principal agent in your own destruction. Your God must look like you, bad man. If you have a God.
Yeah, me that's my father.
But no, me no have no God, because me no need God, because me have something bigger than God. Me have one thing when we call the eternal creator, which is nature, eat, air and water. The sun when you see out the sun, the sun, with the water and the breeze, they're responsible for your life, them create everything. Even Babylon Dictionary tell you so, Oxford Dictionary. Oxford Dictionary says, nature is the physical power which causes all material phenomena. Phenomena mean occurrences, events are happening. Anything ever happen, nature the physical power we call that. You is about supernatural is not attributable to or explicable by the law of nature. Meaning say supernatural and nature no mix none at all, they no have nothing in common. Yeah. So we can scientifically prove, say, and nature is the creator of all life, eat, air, and water. Yeah. You see, two out of the tree can't produce life nor sustain it. It is a whole tree. Water and air can't do it without light, without the sun energy. The sun and water can't do it without the air. Not two of them can do it. It takes all three of them. They know them that Babylon deal with man and call it Trinity, man. Trinity. I real Trinity that are the triune. Eat, air, water. Yeah. Creator, Father, sustain. Without apology.
Good life, Jamaica, man.
Jamaica, good life. Kukumaka. Love the reason and the knowledge.
So you go
definitely.
Marriage have it.
Yeah, man. Love it, man.
They say that they have nothing to say about Jamaica good life, about Seaview.
And we're going to need to hear more of you on this Jamaica good life.
Well,
man. It's knowledge.
But here's something, you know, I'll tell you a little thing. One time, I have a brother, Ian Boyne. A brother that we used to do on religious hard talk.
Yeah, well.
Me and him do the same Bible college, Ambassador Bible College and things. So one time him give me an interview on him program, religious hard talk. When it on RDR radio Sunday evening time, 5 o'clock before it reached TV. Then now from it reached it, no. When the program aired, 15 years before he died, yeah, the Monday evening him called me and tell me that his phone was inundated with calls all day today. People are congratulating him for the program and they ask him, where you find that Kukumaka from? We want to hear more of him. And I so like how I tell you now, so we die when you're ready, we are available. Yeah. And him run a high for 15 years, still dead, him never call me back. And me and him talk every time. I'm a bona fide friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but when it comes to exposing certain things, no man can.
Jamaica good life.
No man can.
Man don't have no God in like this. Tell us dust coming from bush. You understand? So we deal with it.
See, the real love. You see me? The unity. I like the energy upon that corner here, I'm not lie. Yeah, I'm kind of like the vibe.
Orange.
Why you call it orange? Why you call it orange?
No, so it's spelled O-R-A-N-G. Orange.
And an orange.
Yeah.
Or orange.
You don't have the word rhyme with it though. No, there's not another word with rhyme with orange. Can't find one.
Starange.
That's not a
Oh, that's
And that's not a word. And flaming, not even that.
yeah, another one purple.
Yeah.
No,
the two getting to it.
no,
Kokomaka.
Yo.
We're going to link up again, definitely. Yeah. General. Yeah, man. You have circle back, man.
Yeah, man.
You still a play ball? Seaview. You still play ball?
No.
General. You don't know.
Boy, now them history.
No, man. Knowledge
Ian
corner.
boy, now them history. Where Kukumaka.
Kukumaka. Now forward back. You're gonna see me, cause you're gonna need a shoulder with a cocoa maca. Serious thing. Yeah? Yeah, forward come check it.
Good life, Jamaica.
Jamaica good life.
Yes, good life.
Yeah, that's
Or Jamaica good life.
yeah, Jamaica good life.
I know some say it the wrong way.
Yeah. So you
It
put
never
right.
fit.
Yeah. So now
On YouTube and look for it in a whole heap of people, I'll mark them in interview over say.
yeah, and blind man and name what is
YouTube man. I show me now have no Wi-Fi right there, so I'm going to go for it.
Something going on.
yeah.
Next time, here.
Alright then, knowledge man.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.